Yeah. Rastafari. Clean heart, clean man. Jah Light reasoning. Me see the chalice turn from herb to chain. See the cup turn medicine into pain. Alcohol drown sorrow but it float back twice. Temporarily numb but it bill a price. Powder in a nose, needle in a vein. Searching for relief but it deepen the pain. Pharmacy promise sleep in a pill, but the soul stay restless, empty still. Anything will take control of the mind and separate spirit from divine. It's not just drug, it's a deception sign. Intoxication come in many kind. Intoxicated mind, body, soul. When desire take over self-control. From rum to coke to the screen them scroll. Babylon drug up the whole world. Spiritual morality under attack. Truth feel heavy so them turn them back. Jah Light call if we clean the track. Before the soul can't find it way back. Some drunk off liquor, some drunk off pride. Some drunk off money, fame and likes online. Dopamine hit from the phone in hand. More addictive than the weed in the land. Fast food poison in the body cells. Sex without love breaks spiritual spell. Even the music get laced with chants. Make sin look cool, make ignorance dance. Not every eye lift you up. Some just sink you deeper in the mud. Rasta ass who really free. The one who indulge or the one who see. Yeah. Intoxicated mind, body, soul. When desire take over self-control. From rum to coke to prescription roll. Babylon drug up the whole world. Spiritual morality start fade away. When pleasure rule and conscience delay. Jah Light say cleanse before it's too late. Before the door close pan the narrow gate. Me not condemn the wounded or the weak. Cause trauma drive many souls to see. Escape from pressure, escape from pain. But no mean the wound don't break the chain. Herb was healing when used with prayer. But abuse turns sacrament to snare. Same with knowledge, same with power. Misuse gift, corrupt the hour. Sobriety. It's not just alcohol free. It is freedom from illusion. Clear sight, clean heart, alignment with Jah. Intoxicate mind, body, soul. Put spirit back in a control. Fast, pray, cleanse, take it slow. Remember who you are before Babylon roll. From rum shop corner to corporate desk. Different poisons, same soul test. Jah Light say righteousness is the flex. Clean conscience bring true success. Clean mind, clean body.